Hi, thank you so much for coming back to my channel to watch another YouTube video that I've made for Power BI. So this is going to be an introduction to Power BI, and specifically I'm going to look at how to install Power BI, the benefits of Power BI, and the use cases of Power BI. So that is just what I've mentioned. So we're gonna start with what is Power BI. So Power BI is a business intelligence, data analytic, and visualization tool that help many businesses to get insight from the data that they collect. So after data has been collected, then data analysts pick that data, then massage it in Power BI and use it to create visualization that help the organization to find insights that they can use to improve their processes and outcomes. So in terms of the benefits of Power BI, it is easy to use and also has an intuitive user interface, and also that it has fast and flexible data analysis, and it's able to help someone to create interactive data visualizations and allows people also to create reports that can be shared with internal team but also external team. Then it also offers or features that allows people to share reports with specific people, but also limit the extent of what they can see on the report. By in terms of cost, it's also cost effective, but we will not delve much into the costs. So the use cases of Power BI, as I've mentioned, is that it's used for data analysis and visualization. It's also used to create reports and dashboards. If you continue to watch this YouTube video which I'm creating, then you'll be able to understand the difference. And lastly, it helps organizations to embed their visualizations onto a website or even send it to a mobile app where someone can be able to interact with it without having to install Power BI. So we are going to look at how to install Power BI, and in terms of installation, it is downloaded from Microsoft Store. So I'm going to take you through how it is installed from Microsoft Store and how you're gonna use it. So from this This is Microsoft Store. So if you go to Microsoft Store, then you go and search for Power BI, then you look for that, then you'll find Power BI Desktop. And then just the way you have this one written free, free, something free, that the same way you'll find it free if you have not already installed it on your computer. So you'll click on it and then you will install. After installing, then you'll be able to have this button here appearing for you to open it, or you can also go and search it from the applications which you have installed on your computer. So we'll open it from this end. When you open it, this is what you're going to see. You have something like this, like you're able to create a blank report, import data from various sources. But for today, because this is a demo, the first demo, we're gonna take a chance to look at a sample data set which are within Power BI and use it to create some quick visualizations. So when you click on that and say that you need just to load sample data, then you'll be able to get that data being imported. And I'm gonna take you through that process. This is very simple. So you click on the data which we want to import, and then you just say load data. So I know the data is clean, but normally we will go and transform the data, clean it before we visualize it. But for today, we are going to go direct into visualization. So I'll go here and I'll say now that you want to create any visualization. What you do is that on the right side, you will find the data set with its columns, and then you just pick any of the column and you drag it to the free pane here. So the same thing is mentioned here, that for you to create visuals, you just select or drag field from data pane onto the report canvas. And first thing, let's say we want to know the country, how they are doing in terms of country and also profit. We drag that and see which country is making a lot of profit. So within that short time, we are able to see that France is having the highest profit in terms of this business, it's followed by Germany, Canada, United States, and lastly Mexico. And if you want to see something else, it's possible. You just bring in anything that you want to visualize, and then you drag it in there. You want to know the product which has the highest profit. So you drag also profit to it, and you'll be able to see that it is Paseo which has the highest profit margin, followed by VTT, and lastly one called here, able to see its character. So that is how you can easily create visuals. And the last part of after creating visuals is to arrange them nicely on the display so that the user is going to be able to interact with them and make some decision out of it. So for a business organization, if they want to know places where they can put more emphasis or places where they are making losses, they'll be able to look at this and know that, okay, France, maybe we need to increase our sales. And let's say they are also looking at how to improve their market, market share in Mexico. Then they'll concentrate on some areas that can help them to improve their market share in Mexico. So that is how you can easily create visuals. And going forward, I'm going to teach you about these interfaces, what you are seeing here, what this is called. You also have a look at what this is. You also look at this other one here. And I will take you through how to clean data, how to analyze it, and how to visualize it. So stay put and look forward to upcoming videos on how to import data, analyze, and visualize it in Power BI. Thank you. Let's meet again another video.